Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Reuben!
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the good stuff from all around the world. What do we got, Rubes?
Well, I got 3 boxes, three very light boxes, so yeah, you haven't just got really strong all of a sudden, I don't think. So we are looking at either some gold, platinum, or both. I don't know, we'll see.
Or a very small shipment of silver.
Oh, or yeah, could be some small coins. Or just one of them joke parcels that just has nothing in it.
Don't you love how they send us 3 parcels? So the way Bullion works is you have to send individual parcels and you're only allowed to send so many to a company a day. So they've sent us 3 parcels and then just strapped them together.
Yep, that's kept them all safe, all separate. Dear, gotta love when the rules and the bureaucracy don't necessarily match with the logic.
Yeah, that's right.
All right, let's get into box number 1. Do we have a multitude of items, or is this just?
I believe this is a mixed bag of lollies. This one. So we've got all sorts in these. At least
smaller boxes.
A box within a box. Alrighty, what do we have in here? They look very
red littered tubes.
What do you reckon they are, Rubes?
I want to say maples.
I want to agree with you.
We'll see if either of us are right. Either, both. Hey, it's certainly looking very maple-esque.
That's right. So these are 2023s.
2023s.
I've lost my eyes for a second. There we go.
With the Canadians version of the memorial obverse there. I'll get a closer look in a second.
And then the maple on the other side.
Stunning.
Beautiful coin, synonymous with the Royal Canadian Mint. And they just do a stunning job. They really do. You've got the multiple security features around there. More than just the missing tooth.
Yeah. There's super awesome radial lines on there, some micro features, and a bit of a closer look there at the memorial obverse out of the Royal Canadian Mint.
So beautiful coin. So we've got those back in stock for 2023. This will be probably the last of the 23 stock.
Yeah, we're certainly starting to get towards that time of year where we'll start having the 2024s roll through soon, hopefully.
Certainly will. All right, box number 2 is this one. I'm assuming they should all be maples. I think that's the only RCM product we purchased out of this delivery.
We'll soon correct ourselves if not.
I'm just wondering if I needed to open the other 2 tubes, but I don't believe so. Ooh, bit of a mixed bag, this one.
I'm seeing an orange lid. I'm guessing buffaloes.
The perennially popular buffalo.
Might need to see what people in the comments below think if the battle between the buffalo and the eagle, which is the favourite. If we're running live, I think Matt would want us to run a poll. But yeah,
it's unfair in Australia to make that comparison because the eagle incurs GST, so it becomes crazily expensive. Now I'm assuming these are 23s, although I can't see because the camera's in the way.
It's on the other side on these ones, I believe.
Now, being American.
2023.
There you go. Beautiful, again, classic design, known around the world and incredibly popular. They don't last long in stock.
No.
So if you're after them, sooner rather than later.
Yes. But no, those ones are pure gold as opposed to the American Eagle, which are 22 carat. And yeah, as you were hinting at before, causes all sorts of problems. Well, not problems, it just means they're more expensive to get a hold of in Australia. So
now, these I haven't seen before.
Ooh.
Look at these. Oh, they tape them together. So being very, no, it's not a tape, it's a slide. Year of the Dragon, obviously 2024. These are the limited edition Horaius.
Ooh.
Year of the Dragoons.
It has been ages since we've had anything Horaius, I think.
Yeah, these are a beautiful bar. They really are. Contained in the sort of along the lines of the minted bar from Perth Mint. It's very similar-ish in its packaging, although more plasticky rather than that plasticized cardboard. It's quite plasticky, but an incredible design. Trying to make sure I've got it the right way up. It's a bit squiggly coming from upside down, so you've got the head of the dragon in there. And again, it's got the pearl.
Yep.
And then the tail.
It's a bit of
each bar is numbered.
A bit of a display of fireworks around the outside, and numbered on both the packaging and the bar. Bit of a difference to the Perth Mint bars there.
Yeah, thankfully, they're both stuck together, so we can't lose the relevancy of A.
That's it.
So they are in stock. Again, we don't have a lot of those, but we did grab some. So if that's in your budget, definitely worthwhile getting.
Yeah.
If I poke my eye out, I'll take my glasses off. All right, the last box of gold. Well, actually, this one I don't think is gold entirely.
Making a liar out of yourself.
I think so, with these ones. At least that's what I'm expecting from these ones. So hiding in here, we have...
Hey, some Philharmonics.
Philharmonics. Let's see if I can actually get into the things. There we go.
That's a bit of a see-through tube, that one. Takes away a bit of my guessing game.
So, beautiful. Love the Philly. It's one of my, if not the favourite.
Absolutely beautiful.
And then the instruments on the other side. So we've only got the 1 ounce in. We didn't bring in the fractionals this time.
Okay.
And again, 2023, I believe.
Is there a particular reason, or just other things on the cards?
Yeah, other things on the cards. Yeah, these are 23s, which is what we expected. So yeah, it's particularly with the international stuff. Your cash, when we buy them, is out there for so long that sometimes you've just got to make an economic decision and say, actually, we're going this way this time. So, unfortunately...
And some yellow lids there from something from England.
Yeah, one of our favourite mints.
You're getting more and more bold with your comments, I think,
Not
Michael.
really. But I have to say, look, for all the stick that I give the Royal Mint, and I absolutely have given them stick, they're gold, they're platinum. Oh, I love some of their designs. They are just beautiful.
Yeah.
And this is the unicorn. I'm looking for a suitable background to display it on, and I can't really find one in a hurry.
It's just in your hand, and we'll rely on some B-roll.
Yeah. So, again, part of the
Tudor Beasts.
The Tudor Beasts. No, the Tudor Beasts, not the Queen's Beast. So you've got the Seymour unicorn there.
Very cool.
And then it's the 2024, and then over the page, they've finally gone to King Charles on the back.
A crownless King Charles.
Yes. But a beautiful coin. And look, Royal Mint, if you're watching this, your designs are stunning. There is nothing wrong with your designs. There's nothing wrong with your gold and the platinum. It's only the silver that we've got issue with. And then in this one, we should hopefully see the platinum version of what I just opened.
Aha, awesome.
It's crumbled in the delivery. And there you go. Same sort of design yet again, but this time in a 1 ounce platinum. So again, just to summarise, very limited numbers coming in. And I don't know if we'll bring any more of some of these in. The unicorns, it wouldn't surprise me to see more in, and obviously we'll bring in other years of the Philly and the Canadian Maples and the Buffaloes. But yeah, I suspect this will be the only dragons from Heraeus that we bring in.
Yep.
So beautiful coins. Great if you're in the 1 ounce gold coin market. There will be some silver versions of these coming in at different times as well. So if silver's more your budget, just hold fire and they will arrive, don't stress.
Stay tuned. Yeah, definitely some cool flavour to the stack items in this one.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I think that's it from me.
And from me too. See you next time.
See ya.